Hey, what's up and welcome to my channel. I'll be using this video to explain, I'll be using this GBP/JPY to explain how I do the analysis on every pair, on synthetic indices, on currency pair, on crypto, to find my entry opportunities. Okay, so I want to analyze GBP/JPY so that I can see if there is a trading opportunity. Today is actually Monday, so for me to know if there's any trading opportunity, this is what I have to do. This is how I analyze the market. So I want to start from the daily time frame. Okay, so on the daily time frame, you can see the structure. Excuse me, you can see the structure that price has been, giving us here. If you look here, you will see the price has been giving us this market structure. Here we got a break of structure first here. Then we got that one here. And got another one here, and then you see that each time price break structure, it creates a low. So we have high, higher high, higher high, higher high. Then we have this low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and then excuse me. This means that we are in an uptrend. Okay, so after price created this high, now it has come here and it has created another low. Okay, so we have this higher low here. And where was it created? Look at it here. Okay, so first of all, price swaps this liquidity here and then taps into this imbalance. So you can see the fair value gap there. That's an imbalance. So after tapping into it, you can see it taps. Let's see. Let me use this ruler and check. Now you can see this place here. That's where price stops, just right here. So that's what we have. So that's where price tapped in. You can see the line there. That's where price tapped in. You can see the line, which is somewhere here. So price tapped into it. Now what do we expect to happen now? What do we expect to see right now? It is very simple. Since price has created a new low, which is a higher low, we expect price now to push up and take out this high, all right, and then give us a higher high. All right, this is exactly what we expect. Now this is the daily time frame. So what do? We cannot trade from the daily time frame, so we have to narrow down the analysis. So let's continue. Excuse me. So obviously we are no longer doing anything around this area. All right, we are no longer studying the downtrend or anything around this area. Our study is now going to be focused within this area, okay, so that we will know how to catch the trade from here up to this here. So now the first thing we know is that this is our target, right? This high. Excuse me. I'm feeling so feverish today, so I don't know. So this high above here, where I've marked with my yellow horizontal line, is our overall target. All right, that's our overall target. So what we are going to do is we are going to study how price is going to react from here. We know that price has already made, you see, price started making highs already, and it has created this higher high. It has created price has created this higher high. All right, this is low, this is a higher low, this is a high here, higher than this one. So price has created it. It's going to come and create a lower, a higher low. Again, a higher low, then it will now push up. Okay, so this is what they expect. Basically, this is okay, this is actually the H4 time frame. I thought it was the daily time frame, but from the daily time frame, you can see price excuse me, this is daily time frame right now, where I actually wanted to start from. Usually I start from the daily time frame, and you can see price made this high, and here it has made the higher high, right? So this was another block here which price tapped into. before it started turning. So it's going to push up here. So on our daily time frame, it is obvious that we are bullish. That's it on the daily time frame. We have this bullish candle appearing right now, this bullish candle. So it is obvious that we are bullish. Now from our H4, it is confirmed. So this candle printing now is being bearish, which means price needs to come back, and you can see this imbalance right here. This is this imbalance, fair value gap, and then right here you can see there's another block below it. Okay, even though it's not showing any red candle, but if you see the way the candles are structured, that inside bar is a red candle. Now if we go to our H1 time frame, we will see it. All right, so this is it. You can see the inside bar right there, red candle. So that's our other block, and now we are going to wait for price to return back to it. That's where price is going to trade into. Then that is where we are going to buy. But as a scalper, you can find a way, find a way to get involved in this and sell, right? And find a way to sell this down, and this is what we call sell to buy. Sell to buy. So you can find a way, to get involved, and then after a while you get out of the market. So that's what we want to do. We want to see a break of that trend line, and then we'll sell to this point and then buy again. That's it. So let's go to the lower time frame, M15. Excuse me. From the M15, you can see this is what we have here. So basically you can see this rejection here, this support level being formed here. I love it when I see this kind of support level being formed, because whenever price breaks it, that's my entry point. Okay, I want to see a break and retest of it every time I see it. So what I want to see is, I want to see price break, come back to retest it, and then this is it. Simple and short. This is what I want to see. Okay, so basically I'm going to look for a sell. Now if you are selling this, you have to be mindful of certain levels. See this level, you have to be very mindful of it. When price comes here, excuse me, that is where you should take your first set of profit. Okay, you should close some profits when price come into here. Then afterwards you can take the rest around this area. Okay, this is it. So this is you being conscious. This is you being conscious. So let's see the M5, because you want to scalp this. Most people will wait for price to come to this place and they just buy to trade in the direction of the trend, which is very good. But sometimes you can take this counter trade, right? You can trade against a trend, because from the higher time frame you have seen that price has to come down. So this is it. We want to see price break. Below this level, probably break our trend line, then come back to retest it, then we can now sell to this point. It's as simple as that. This is how I analyze the market every blessed day, and believe me, it is sweet. It is crazy how we make profit from the market. That's the same thing I did on this gold, and I made profit. Actually, I was expecting it to come here to give me this profit. Also, I placed another trade there, which is a sell limit, right? This one here, this one right here. But what happened? Price came there, but gave me, just missed my entry by one tick. So this is it. It missed my entry right here by one tick. You can see that, and then gave this level. So I placed another sell limit here, hoping it might come, activate it, and then drop, because I feel it should drop onto this point. But I'm seeing this bearish engulfing pattern that it is creating here. But I'm not going to chase the trade. If I miss it, I'll miss it. No wahala, no problem. But I'm hoping it will go and then come back. This is my expectation to go take me in, and then we are good to go. This is just what I want. So this is exactly the same strategy I use all over, including synthetic indices, including what you call it, gold and other currency pairs. It's as simple as this. Your top-down analysis will give you a clear direction of where price is headed, to make you, not to chase price, to make it to trade with more confidence, because you know the direction of price, you know your exit point, you know your entry point, you know your exit point. You calculate your risk and you trade with peace of mind. So this is my perspective on GBP JPY. Today is actually Monday. Monday the 26th of May. So if you are lucky to watch this video now, I'm trying to post it as early as possible. Watch it and then watch out for this move. And then if you miss the sell move rather, then wait for the buy move, because the buy move is the major one. Like, that is where the main money is. That's where the main money is all the way to this point. This should be giving us a good risk reward ratio. Okay, so that's where the main money is. Let's be expectant. Let's be expectant. We are going to make money from this. Okay, so this is just how I trade, guys. Make it simple. I keep it simple and straightforward. So if you want to learn how I trade, feel free to join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description box, and contact me for mentorship. I can teach you personally, I can manage your accounts, and also can also join my signal group, my VIP signal group. Whatever it is you want, contact me. I can also trade your prop firm for you and all of that. Okay, so this is the Alpha Trade, assuring you that as long as you continue working on improving yourself, and as long as you don't give up, it can only get better.